Welcome to lesson 4 of Microsoft Word tutorial. We're continuing with the home tab. Go back to the document. You remember last time this is where we left off. So in the last tutorial we learned how to do cut, copy and paste and also use the format painter. So we completed the clipboard functionality. Today in this tutorial we will see a little more about the fonts. So if you want to know the font format and size of the particular text, you click near the text or on that text, you will see it here. So you see an Arial and 11. So that is the format of this text here. So now you want to change this to something else. So for you to change it, you either select the text that you want to be changed and then go up, it's a drop down, click on it, say I want to change it to Times New Roman. So you see this font changing there, right? Now this is different from this. Now if you also want to change the font size, drop down, see the font size getting bigger and bigger as I move the mouse cursor on one, mouse cursor one by one. Now we'll just keep it at say at 12. Now this document, the first paragraph is Times New Roman and 12, and the second paragraph is in Arial 11. That is not a very good practice. A good practice is all the fonts in a document or all the text in a document should be of same font format. The font sizes could be different because the header could be of different font size, the paragraphs could be of different font size, there may be subheadings of different font size. That is fine, but the preference is the font format should be all Arial, should be all Times New Roman, should be all Calibri. There are multiple number of fonts, whichever ones that you want to use. So I'm going to select the 4 paragraphs that we did last time, and now you see the font drop down and the size drop down is all empty because you have selected a mixture of fonts. The first paragraph is a Times New Roman, rest of it is all Arial, so it cannot show both of them here, so it's just showing it as empty. Now we are going to make all of these to say a Calibri, and then we will keep all of this to a font 11. Now all of these comes back to font 11. So now we want to say enter some headings. Before the first start of the paragraph, I want to enter a header. So I press enter, it gives me a line above this. Now I want to put a topic for this paragraph. Say Summer Olympics 2012. Now this does not look like a heading, right? Because all of these are of the same size. Now you want this to look like a heading. How can you do that? Select this, increase the font size say to 14. Does it stand out? A little bit. But what else we can do? So let's select this again. Let's bold this. Now does this look like a heading? Yes, it does. So, and let's even make it even better. Let's underline this. Now this looks like a proper heading. Let's go to the second paragraph. Before we want to say we want to insert a subheading, right? You want to insert a subheading. So what do? You keep your cursor there and press enter. It gives you one line. Go to the line in between and let's call this as organizing committee. Now there are two things that you're seeing here. Okay, let's first finish up with the subheading. The subheading doesn't look like a subheading. So how do we do that? Let's select this. If we do the same format as this one, then it will look like a heading. So for subheading, here we have selected a font 14 and it's bold and underlined. Let's do a font 13. So 13 is not there. Let's do 12, or you can click on this and then type number 1 and 3. So it gives you 13. And I want to bold this also. So now this looks like the main header and this is the subheader. I want to put another subheader here named as say venues. Okay, and this one should have the same format as this. How do we do that? You remember the format painter we used last time? So what we're going to do is we are going to select this, click on format painter. So once you click on the format painter, it should show a brush. As you see next to the cursor, it will look like a brush. So you paint on this text with that brush, and now this looks exactly like this. So this is how you use different font sizes, different font formats to make the document look very appealing and professional.